Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $100 a day easily working from home using Google Maps. Again, what's really nice about this technique is that the service is actually worth a lot more than $100, and you can easily upsell your client with more in-depth strategies to rank first. Now, with this technique, you really don't need any experience, and you don't need to be tech savvy to be successful. You really don't even need to have any marketing skills to generate more clients. So this is super easy to do. I learned this strategy about 5 years ago, and it's still super reliable. I bring in thousands of dollars each month implementing this strategy. I'm going to show you guys a walkthrough exactly how this strategy works step by step, and I'm going to teach you how to get more clients easily. So with that being said, if you like videos like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. And now that we have that taken care of, let's dive into my computer. All right, so I'm here to talk to you guys today about basically going out there and actually landing digital marketing clients. This is something I've done for a few years now, and it works really well. I'm going to show you guys step by step how you approach this and how to get paying clients. This video is good for the people that, you want to get out there and offer services like such as SEO, search engine optimization, maybe Google AdWords, even Facebook ads. There's really so many different services that you can offer to local businesses. Most of them need your help with marketing. I'm going to show you a method that we use to generate thousands of dollars monthly. That's residual, reoccurring income. And it's been working for us for a few years now, and I don't see it going anywhere in the near future. This example is specifically what we're going to use for SEO. And if you've ever done if you've ever searched online, you must have seen like the local 3-pack before. It will show you up for most local based businesses, right? It's right here, the 3-pack. So if you were to search for a roofer or a chiropractor or installation services, most of these will have a local 3-pack that pops up with local businesses. So it's super important to show up here. It's just so important to show up there because they're getting all the phone calls. That's where all the phone calls are being generated. Same with the emails and in general, just people contacting them. Most of the time, people are calling the people that have the most reviews and are in the local 3-pack here. So what we're going to do is we're going to help businesses with this, and we're going to help them get ranked in the local 3-pack. And so what I like to do is I like to make a video. And if you don't really feel comfortable making a video, then maybe you can make a detailed email or even just call the business directly. You can offer some sort of service to them, or maybe a free trial. Really just not really looking for anything in return. Most likely they're going to respond to you and refer more business to you that might end up being a paying client in the future. Also, even by showing them the local results for them, they may remember you and come back for your help in the future, even if they don't grab your business right then. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring up a Google search here, and for this example, we are going to use roofing contractor in New York City. And I should mention that you can do this anywhere in the world, like whether you're in the US, Canada, Australia, really anywhere it works. You can also pick really any niche that you want. So just for this example, we're using roofing contractor, but you can really pick anything for this. And what you can see here, these first three are just a few ads that show up at the top. But then if you go down a little ways, you're going to see the local 3-pack that I mentioned to you just a little while ago. And these three businesses are really soaking up all the business. They're getting all the phone calls. If you saw like the statistics, I would say that these guys are getting 90% of everything that's coming through Google. Okay. So now, out of the three that popped up, I would probably call Golden Roofing NYC. They have the most reviews. Or maybe I'd even call TCI, Manhattan Roofing Repair Services NYC. The biggest thing with this is that you're going to notice these before you notice the organic results, which are right below them. They don't really stand out as much as the maps do. Um, so if you actually click into more businesses here, you're going to see that there's a lot more businesses all in NYC. I usually like to go to like page 2 or 3 to offer my services because most of the businesses are not getting any help from the local results. So let's just go to page 3 here. If you go down on page 3 here and you click through, you know, you're going to find businesses like this one here, Manhattan Roofing NYC, and you're going to see that they only have 3 reviews. They are not actually, let's check it out. Yeah, see, they're not even verified correctly on Google because it has this right here, own this business. That means they're not verified correctly. Now, the you know, you can actually help them optimize this correctly for a few extra $100. You know, the biggest thing is that they're not in the top 3, so the chances of me calling them is slim to none. Now you have an opportunity to show this business that they're missing out on a lot of business, right? So if I contacted Golden Roofing NYC, for example, Manhattan Roofing NYC, for example, I could start off by telling him that he isn't even listed on Google correctly. You can actually get them verified through Google for another fee, possibly like another $300, if you click on own this business and go through the steps. And you could also tell him that his photos down here, you know, are really just generic photos that were taken off the internet, and he would actually stand out a lot more if he got geo-targeted pictures on there instead. I could go over geo-targeted pictures in another training video for you guys. So this company is completely missing out on an opportunity to get like massive results of traffic through Google. So as you can see, this business doesn't really have a lot going on. He does though have his business hours, but they only have 3 reviews over here. I'm actually going to go over to their website and see what he's got going on here. Let's open that in a new tab. Okay, and I can tell right when I open this that it's a bit old. It looks super basic. I'm not really sure how this will look on a mobile phone or a tablet compared to a desktop. It might not even display correctly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna record a video. We can use Camtasia to do this, or you can use Loom if you don't really want to pay for it. I think Loom you actually do have to pay for now. And I'm gonna put something together that hopefully sparks their interest. I'm gonna show them actually like what I found. So I would record something about their website that I'd tell them what I do like, and I'd tell them what I don't like. I like how their phone number is right up here. It's nice and bold. It shows that's their call to action, which is perfectly put right up top. It's easy to see, and it's really super easy to see once I get to their website. But where's their address? Where's their logo? I don't really see any branding besides their name right here. Here, let's go down a little bit. Here they have a little something about what they do and who they are. They're reliable, honest work. This site does seem trustworthy. However, it doesn't show like how long that they've been in business. Overall, it looks that it's like outdated or possibly done years ago. I'm not really sure. It doesn't show who put the website together here. But what you could do is you could make a video. You can be like, hey, I could build you a far better, more optimized website, something that is gonna like be exciting and get a click-through rate a lot higher. I could design you something that's more entertaining and it's gonna show off your business in a better way. So, and then what I'm gonna do actually in the video is I'm gonna pull up the local 3-pack, right? We're gonna do the search again. And let's go back here. and I'm gonna pull up their Google listing. I'm gonna literally show them the exact search that I did. And I'm gonna say, look, hey, I went in and I typed in roofing contractor in New York City and you're not in the local 3-pack here. You're actually much lower. And I'm gonna click on more businesses. And I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna click on page 3 and I'm gonna show them exactly where they are on page 3. I'm gonna say, you're like the 5th one down on page 3. And then I would start talking about one of the best ways to improve their ranking and how they can show up on the local 3-pack and show up much higher in the results. And the biggest way that you could help them is actually getting them listed on more business directories. And what we call those are citations. So now what we're going to do is something super powerful. We are actually going to open up another tab here. We're going to do a Google search. And we're actually going to, in parentheses, right? Make sure you put them in parentheses. We're going to click on their listing. We're going to copy and paste their name in parentheses along with their phone number. And we're going to see what pops up. And you can include this in a video as well if you would like. Close parentheses. Let's see what pops up here. It does look like they're listed on quite a few citation listings here. Yelp.com, Manhattan Roofs, I think that's theirs. Brownstoner.com, Better Business Bureau, BetterBusinessBureau, Manta, Fawn Olive, Angie's List, Caribbean Life News. What we're going to do actually is we're going to open up another one. And we're going to do the same Google search for one in the top 3. Let's go with Goldenberg. And close parentheses. And let's get their phone number. Let's close parentheses. And what we're going to do here is we're going to get them listed on the same exact sites as Goldenberg Roofing because they're obviously powerful citations. And then right after that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Fiverr. And when you type up top, you're going to type in citations. I'll actually do this over for you guys. And we're going to type in citations, enter, and actually it's asking me to join here. Let's see if it'll not let me. Okay. The first row here, there's going to be a guy named I Am Danny. He has the most reviews, and they're 5 stars, over 1,000. He will do 350 Google Maps citations for local businesses. And what we're going to do is we're going to order, it's cost $5 to get listed 350 times. And we're going to do that for this company. You can do it free, or you can just show them in a video how powerful that would be, so that you can get some trustworthiness and they'll know that you know what you're talking about. So in the video, you're going to want to tell them, like, look, I noticed that you were listed Manhattan Roofing. You're going to be listed on these citations, but Goldenberg's listed on these citations, these different local directories. And you're going to say that these need to be done, and what it's going to do is it's actually going to help them pop them up into the local 3-pack. And then you can talk about other things, like if we go back to their listing on page 3 here, you can list the fact that most of his competitors have a lot more reviews. You can mention the fact that he does, like, again, along with his photos, he doesn't have a lot of photos, or they're not geo-targeted photos. Other things like, you can confirm their hours. Like, see, are you guys like actually open like 24 hours, 24/7? Things like that you could talk about, that, and then you can bring it up in the video and just be very, very upfront and honest about it. So I like to kind of have this open, like I like to have all these open, like his website, and his citations along with his competitors' citations all throughout the videos. And then just make sure that you're putting together a quick video, not like a 10 to 15-minute video, just a 2 or 3-minute video explaining all of these things and explaining your services. So again, guys, if you like this, I actually put together an entire course on how to make money with Google Maps. Also, there is that I have live webinars very often, almost every day. There will be links in the video description below. If you can scroll down and check those out, that would be awesome. So I'm actually going to break down other strategies in my trainings that will help you guys make a lot more money. It's going to help you guys tremendously. You're going to want to check that out. I will also show you guys how to outsource all of this as well, so you don't have to do a lot of the work. So say I sell somebody on getting our services for like a monthly retainer of like $1,000. I would then have somebody else do it for like $300 a month, and really the rest is profit. In the end, the client's happy and we're very happy as well. And if I do it like that, then I can put out more content to help you guys, and in the long run, I'll actually make more money as well. So if you guys want to learn more about what I'm doing, then make sure to check out my full course and the webinar in the description below. And if you guys want to see more videos on how to make money online, then make sure to leave a comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. And all right, guys, thanks, and I'll see you guys on the next video.